What's the best case of instant karma you've witnessed? Working as a medic a long time ago and get called for a leg injury at a Friday night soccer game. We get there and determine it's most likely a torn ACL. Painful, but basically any hospital can handle, and it's not really a priority. So we explain to the patient it will be faster and a lot cheaper if she just wants to have someone else drive her to the hospital that's literally around the block. Here comes the white knight into our story. This guy oozed friend zone. Explained how he's a medical student going for his doctorate and she needs to go to the local trauma center, which is a good 30 minutes drive. We explain no, we'll go to the local, they can handle it. However, the patient pulls the nastiest look at us and says her friend knows more than my partner and I because he's actually studying medicine and we're just ambulance drivers. My partner and I give each other that look. An ACL tear isn't priority for trauma center, especially on a Friday night. Drunk driving crashes and gunshot wounds are going to be taking up the emergency room there. We oblige to the request with documented protest. The friend rides with us. We make him ride up front. He explains how the surgeon there is his friend and she'll get seen right away. We roll in and sure enough there's about a dozen ambulance crews trying to unload patients in much worse cases than ours. We get to triage after about 15 minutes, and the RSN tells us to put her in the waiting room. She starts crying bloody murder. Cherry on top, she asks her friend to do something. He calls his buddy surgeon down. Turns out not his buddy but one of his teachers who proceeds to yell at him about thinking that an ACL tear needs to come to a trauma center. She could have been in and out the hospital in an hour if she had listened to us.